Now that you've mapped out your processes in the Workflows tab in Puzzle, and you've determined who your role is, what tools are responsible, the step type, in a very visual way, you get the added bonus of also seeing that information in a list view that allows you to slice and dice the data in different ways. Let's take a look at the list view over on the left-hand side of our Workflows tab. Right off the bat, when we initially land, we're going to see every single step that we have in our canvas in a table format. We can see the step ID, the name of the step type, the tools, if there are any tasks assigned, what section it's in, the status of the step, what role is responsible. We can also see the creation date. Because Puzzle uses structured data by default, we now get this added functionality of being able to sort by whatever criteria we want. So let's say we're trying to look at all of the manual steps in our process to see if there's any room for automation improvement. I'm going to filter by step type and choose where it's manual. And I can easily take a look at the name of all of the steps that are manual, the tools involved, and when they were last created. Let's say I want to take it a step further and look at all of the manual steps that use Gmail, for example. There may be opportunity where we can automate some of these emails. So now I'm able to filter by criteria, whether by role or tool or status, get insight into where I could potentially improve. Then looking at this list, I can hop right back to the step in the workflow section and potentially leave a comment to one of my colleagues on the idea I have of how we can improve this process. Or let's say you've been put in charge of figuring out if you should get a new e-signature platform for your company. You could come to this list view and filter where the step type is a document and quickly get an idea of all the different types of documents and where e-signature process is involved in customer success and in people and HR. Also understand the specific tools you're using now for this step type and understand the specific use cases that your company has. So now you're equipped to make a well-informed, educated decision. And if you need any extra context, you simply click back into the step and read the overview. There are tons of use cases for how you can use this list view, and it's just one of the powerful components of Puzzle and using structured data. By mapping out your processes, you're automatically getting a relational database for free that allows you to slice and dice and sort your data in a way that gives you the insights you're looking for. Feel free to share any other use cases that you come across, and thanks for watching.